The following message is from the Deschutes County Sheriff's Office. A wildfire north of Bend has prompted Level 3 Go Now evacuation notices for all residences north of Cooley Road and east of Highway 97. Juniper, Hilltop, and Four Seasons mobile parks have been evacuated. Level 1 Be Ready notices are also being issued with the JD Estates subdivision. Highway 97 is currently closed between Cooley Road and Deschutes Junction. Plan ahead and delay travel or consider an alternate route around the closure. The following message is from the Deschutes County Sheriff's Office and the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office. Level 1 and 2 notifications issued for areas of Deschutes and Jefferson counties due to Green Ridge Fire. Due to wildfire activity involving the Green Ridge Fire, the Deschutes and Jefferson County Sheriff's Offices have issued the following evacuation notices. A Level 2 evacuation notice for the following areas: residences north of Indian Ford Road, east of Green Ridge Road 11, and west of Fly Lake Road. Level 2 means be set to evacuate. You must prepare to leave at a moment's notice. This level indicates there is significant danger to your area, and residents should either voluntarily relocate to a shelter or with relatives outside of the affected area, or if choosing to remain, should be ready to evacuate at a moment's notice. Residents may have time to gather necessary items, but doing so is at their own risk. This may be the only notice you receive. Emergency services cannot guarantee that they will be able to notify you if conditions rapidly deteriorate. A Level 1 pre-evacuation notice is issued for the following areas: residences along the south side of Indian Ford Road from Highway 20 to Stevens Canyon Road, residences east of Fly Lake Road to Stevens Canyon Road, and private residences and campgrounds west of U.S. Forest Service Road number 14 within the Metolius Basin in the Camp Sherman area. Level 1 means, be ready for potential evacuation. Residents should be aware of the danger that exists in their area, monitor emergency services websites and local media outlets for information. This is the time for preparation and precautionary movements of persons with special needs, mobile property and potentially animals. If conditions worsen, emergency services personnel may contact you via an emergency notification system. Deschutes and Jefferson counties will continue to work with fire managers to ensure public safety and prevent conflicts between citizens and fire operations. Please avoid these evacuation areas and abide by any area closures issued by the Deschutes National Forest. Current maps including evacuation areas can be found at www.deschutes.org/emergency. For fire information, you can visit the Central Oregon Fire Information site at www.centraloregonfire.org. The following message is from the Wasco County Sheriff's Office. This is an update for the White River Fire evacuations. Level 1 Be ready for area east from Bear Springs Ranger Station along Highway 216 through Pine Grove to the intersection of Endersby Road and 216. Also included are all of Endersby Road, Linds Mill Road and Kelly Springs Road have now been placed under a Level 1 Get Ready evacuation notice. Level 1 Be ready for all residences on Smock Road west of the intersection of Smock Road and Ayers Road to include all residences on Barbara Lane and Farlow Road have now been placed on Level 1 Get Ready evacuation notice. The Level 1 Get Ready evacuation notice will remain in place for Sportsman's Park, The following message is from the Wasco County Sheriff's Office. The Oregon State Police The Dalles Patrol Office reports that a wildfire closed Interstate 84 approximately 5 miles west of the Dalles from milepost 87 to 64, and U.S. Highway 30 near Discovery Center and Pinewood Manor. A Level 3 evacuation has been issued for Pinewood Manor, Discovery Center, Golf Course. Evacuate towards Rowena. Please monitor Wasco County Sheriff's Office for evacuation updates and Oregon Department of Transportation's www.tripcheck.com for road closure updates. The following message is from the Deschutes County Sheriff's Office and the City of Redmond Police Department. Fire in progress in the vicinity north of Highway 126 and 9th Street. The following areas are under Level 3 evacuation: Highway 97 and East Antler Avenue Southeast, 9th Street and Highway 126, and Highway 97. The following areas are under a Level 1 evacuation, northwest of East Antler Avenue to Northeast 9th Street. The following streets have been closed: East Antler Avenue and Highway 97, and all streets north of Highway 126 from Highway 97 to Northeast 9th Street, and all streets south of Antler Avenue from Highway 97 east past Northeast 17th Street. Crews are on scene and working to contain the blaze. Cause of fire has not yet been determined. The following message is from the Klamath County Sheriff's Office. The Klamath County Sheriff's Office has issued Level 3 Go Now evacuation notification for Crystal Springs Road east of Hill Road and South Po Valley Road from Crystal Springs Road to Weber Road. Level 3 means, leave immediately. There is extreme danger in your area. Evacuate now. Leave without delay. It is unsafe to stay in. Threatens the safety of you, your relatives, and emergency responders. Your life could be in great danger. Emergency services personnel may not be available to help you if you choose to stay. Evacuate now. The following message is from the Umatilla County Sheriff's Office. The Umatilla County Sheriff has issued a Level 3 evacuation notice for areas in Juniper Canyon along Hartle Road, Wallula Road, and Hatchgrade Road. Authorities are going door-to-door advising occupants to evacuate the area. The Eastern Oregon Trade Event Center has been opened up for anyone evacuated that may need shelter. The shelter is located at 1705 East Airport Road in Hermiston. Please take immediate action based on the following instructions. Fire evacuation alert Level 3. Level 3 indicates an immediate threat to life and property. Evacuation is mandatory. Leave the area immediately and proceed to the designated evacuation routes. Follow instructions from emergency personnel and do not delay your departure. Gather essential items such as medications, important documents, and valuables quickly and take them with you. Ensure your vehicles are fueled and ready for immediate departure. Stay informed about the current fire conditions and follow official updates and instructions. Listen to local radio stations and emergency alert systems for the latest announcements and instructions. Monitor the Umatilla County Fire District 1 for real-time information. Check on neighbors who may require assistance and inform them of the evacuation order. Help disseminate evacuation information to individuals who may not have access to it. Share this urgent alert with relatives and neighbors to ensure everyone is aware and evacuating. Follow the designated evacuation routes and instructions provided by emergency personnel. Avoid shortcuts and stay on established roads to ensure safe and efficient evacuation. Do not return to the area until authorities declare it safe to do so. Your safety is of utmost importance, and authorities urge you to prioritize your well-being by promptly evacuating the Juniper Canyon area, including Hartle Road, Wallula Road and Hatchgrade Road. If you require immediate assistance or have specific concerns, please call 911. The following message is from the Oregon Emergency Management. Civil authorities have issued an evacuation immediate for all of Oregon. Emergency alert notification sent out by error. On Saturday, July 22, 2023, Klamath County requested state assistance to send out a Level 3 evacuation alert to areas threatened by the Golden Fire impacting county residents. Unfortunately, an emergency alert system message that was intended for Klamath County area radio and television stations was mistakenly broadcast statewide due to operator error. The Oregon Emergency Management apologizes for the distress it may have caused, and are working to correct the situation, and to prevent this incident from occurring again. No statewide evacuation is underway. Repeating, no statewide evacuation is underway. No danger is imminent.